When your mind starts racing faster than everything around you, it's easy to feel your body react as if it's constantly preparing for something that hasn't even happened. Anxiety shows up in those moments when the future feels heavier than the present, and that's exactly where mindfulness can become an anchor. Imagine, just for a moment, being able to slow down your inner pace without needing to escape anything. Simply acknowledging what's happening inside you. That feeling of returning to the present is what we're going to explore. If this topic already resonates with you, feel free to like this video, subscribe to WellState, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. Anxiety often disconnects us from ourselves. When the mind is projecting scenarios, anticipating problems, and looping through automatic thoughts, the body responds with tension, shallow breathing, and a constant sense of alert. Mindfulness offers a way to interrupt this cycle. It's not about emptying the mind or trying to control your thoughts. It's about observing, with gentleness, what's happening in the present moment, without fighting it. This practice creates a small internal pause, a breathing space where not everything requires an immediate reaction. Starting from zero might feel intimidating, but mindfulness doesn't demand any special preparation, perfect posture, or long meditation sessions. It begins with something simple, noticing your breath. Try it now. Inhale and feel the air entering. Notice the temperature, the expansion in your chest. Then exhale and sense the natural release that comes with letting the air go. Observing this movement without rushing already begins to dial down the nervous system activity that fuels anxiety. It's like gently pressing an internal slow down button, even if just for a moment. Over time, the attention that begins with the breath expands to the whole body. You might notice the weight of your shoulders, tension in your jaw, or coldness in your hands. None of this needs to be forced to change. Simply acknowledging these sensations often leads the body to relax on its own. This kinder relationship with your physical experience builds a deeper sense of internal safety, something essential for anyone dealing with anxiety. Another key step is learning to observe thoughts as passing events, rather than absolute truths. You may notice a thought like, "This isn't going to work." Instead of fighting it or automatically believing it, try acknowledging, "A worried thought just appeared." This creates a distance between you and your thoughts, reducing their emotional intensity. With practice, thoughts stop running the show and become just thoughts. Mindfulness can also be woven into everyday activities. While showering, feel the water on your skin. While walking, notice your feet touching the ground. While eating, pay attention to texture, smell, and taste without rushing. These small moments of presence add up and gradually transform your relationship with anxiety. It's not about slowing down your entire routine. It's about being truly present for small pockets of your day. But what about moments when anxiety is strong? In those situations, returning to the body is often more helpful than trying to think your way out of it. A simple practice is placing your hand on your chest or abdomen and feeling the warmth of the touch. This physical grounding signals safety to your nervous system, helping reduce anxiety's intensity. Another technique is taking a deep breath with extra focus on the exhale, which activates the parasympathetic system and naturally slows your internal rhythm. With consistency, these practices build a more stable internal foundation. Anxiety may continue to appear, but you develop the ability to respond to it rather than react automatically. And the more presence you cultivate, the more clearly you perceive your needs, without pressure or urgency. Mindfulness isn't an instant fix, but it's a real, practical, and accessible path for anyone seeking more balance. If this video brought you clarity or comfort, remember to like, subscribe to WellState, and turn on the notification bell so you can follow our next videos. Thank you for being here and for taking care of yourself. Wishing you a grounded and peaceful rest of your day with more moments of presence along the way.